Cameraman here, folks. We got he's taking the jacket off. He's getting ready.
It's serious.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have here...
No, let me say what's going on and you shut up.
Hold on, I
you
gotta
know
light
your
up this
place.
area.
You know when to speak and you know when to shut up.
Wow.
Okay, you got my spotlight on me? Okay. We're down here very close to Junkman's Paradise. Guess who's not here? Guess who's a fair-weathered friend? Ooh. Guess who is a playoff fan?
Guess what? The guy's
all right, no, he's actually a little bit sick. Yeah,
Junkman's not feeling
Junkman,
good,
you know
man.
I love you.
We love Junkman.
We just did a video where we blew a motor on another, what happens to be a 4.6.
Watch your language, by the way. We're going to try and not get ourselves into trouble here.
And in the last video, what I did was I was telling people that this weekend, see, I get confused because we're filming.
Ask him this?
Because we're filming right now, but then we post this video on Sunday for the Sunday upload. So if I say what's going to go on, like I told you guys that I'm going to be in Rhode Island for the weekend because my daughter's doing...
Where's there a puddle so I could throw him in it?
No. I'm telling a story. My daughter is going to be in a bodybuilding competition. It's her first one. She's only 21. So as the father, she's going to be wearing a bikini. So as the father, I got to sit there and like run around the room
go up there in a
and see if anyone's looking at my daughters. Yes, I'm going to be running around an auditorium trying to cover people's eyes up. Only so the judges can see, because I don't want the people to see.
All these degenerates looking at us.
Comments out of you people about the fact that my daughter's doing a bikini show, whatever, I don't want to hear it. Bodybuilding. She's an angel. She's very caring.
Listen to me. What do we have here?
We have another 4.6. Let's do a walk around.
It ain't half bad, folks. My son said, Dad, we could sell this. We could make money. He says, you know what?
202. Mileage is 202. She's got tons of rust.
Oh, yeah. I love rust like this.
Okay.
Hold on. I got to give this a kick, but I got to also keep myself from getting tendonitis.
Nice. Good.
All right. Now I'm satisfied.
All right. He's satisfied. We'll do a walk around. She's an F150 cab and a half. Got the 4.6 motor. Has four-wheel drive. I haven't ripped down here in a long time, so I'm gonna rip this thing as good as I can as soon as this son of a bitch right here keeps it moving. You understand?
Yeah.
Nothing here.
Is there anything in here? Ooh. This guy did some work with this thing. Guy probably made a few million.
Get off of my truck!
Wow, he's all excited with this truck. This piece of garbage.
Give me my calling! What you got, Stuntman?
I gotta be careful. My eyes with the debris. Oh. Wow. I gotta get that shield. Wow. Whoa. Oh. This is insanity. Wow! Oh, watch your truck, not mine! is like the old days at Flacco's.
Let me tell you something. You know you're ripping a car when your pants fall down just from driving.
Pull your
and I didn't
pants
do that. They fell down on their own. I'm enjoying this shit.
Wow. All right, I got to zoom this in a little bit to
Let
get
me
the...
guess. Let me guess. Let me guess. I'm getting pelted with rocks. How about this? Quit.
Oh, this is insane. He's beating the hell out of me, man. I'm getting hit with everything. Look at this. All right, I don't even know where to go. His pants fell down. All right, hold on, pull up over here.
I'm getting pelted. Know what I'm doing, my job. Go home then and go to sleep. Go to your kids.
Wait a second.
Go home and go to your kids.
Wait a second.
All right? I'd even hire Costanza after hearing you cry. Costanza of all people. By the way, I want to say hi to Gino. I ran into him today down in Brooklyn. Very
Gino's
nice
a
guy.
gentleman.
Gino, what a gentleman. Then we got Gentleman Gino Spadiola from, I don't even know where they're from, but I know they're from Neutral Drop Town.
Yeah. One of those areas. Ladies and gentlemen, I think he got the most out of that vehicle. I'm happy with the performance.
I can't wait to see the video. And I'm getting, honestly.
No, I really wasn't even complaining. I was just kind of ducking.
Looks like the camera, and he's like literally like this, like dancing on one leg. It's almost like he's doing a twist. Him and Chuck Berry.
Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, he went hot with this thing.
Maybe not hot enough.
Wow. Do we sell this thing? My son said we could get good money for it.
Put it on Craigslist. 3,900 hours, barely been used.
You put neutral drop on the side of it.
Babied and pampered.
All right.
From day one.
Folks, don't forget usecarwealth.com. Check it out. Learn how to make money. Learn how to earn. Make yourselves money to burn. I'm telling you, it's so easy.
Guys, it's no bull crap.
It's so
it's no bull crap. That the reality of it is you'll learn a sick business because we're doing this 30 years. And I'll tell you right now, I'm certainly not in the poorhouse.
Yeah, me neither. But anyway, folks, check it out. Like, comment, subscribe. More to come, as you know.
And Junkman, I hope you had a good night.
Yeah,
okay?
He should be feeling better.
But I wouldn't know because you're not here.
Wow. Junkman, we
Yeah,
love
I
you.
said it.
Wow.
I said it through the window.
We are